Okay, this is in Barangaroo. This is their ferry station. This ferry is looked like a boat. It shaped like a boat. It was very nice, but yeah, just different shape. It's nice. Yeah, it looked like boat because it's near the water. Australia is surrounded with water and beaches. That's why they designed it like that. It was designed beautifully. Yeah. Enjoying my day today. It's lunchtime and the people are eating in the restaurant. Yeah, I wish I have someone with me to eat in the restaurant. Yeah. This ferry goes to Drumine, Huntley Point, Chiswick, Oglethorpe, and Kissing Point. Kissing Point in Putney, where I used to live. I always live in a nice area. Nice and classy. Hey.